slowly wearing away. And the dry shaft was loose. So who am I to criticize other people's track day videos? Maybe I shouldn't. But at least I tried to make one before and it was shit. Once you make your video, you can show everyone how uninteresting the whole experience was. Well, uninteresting for everyone else, except for maybe you. First, what is a track day? Well, that depends on your perspective. My friends are convinced that I do this. This is kind of what my parents think I'm doing. This is what I think I'm doing when I'm doing a track day. This is what my wife thinks I'm doing when I tell her I'm doing a track day. First of all, most importantly and most obvious, you need a skid lid. A Hans device. Now, it's not required, but it's helpful in case you feel like running into a wall. And finally, a Nomex or fireproof suit. Again, not needed, but it's kind of handy when you're on fire just to have something like that covering your skin. Now that I have all the safety stuff, there's one other thing that I need. That's right, food. Oh yeah, and you'll need one of these. It should be a car that's easy to drive. Ensure there is a passenger seat for your instructor. It shouldn't be too loud. This Datsun may not have ABS, traction control or airbags, but it looks really cool and it sounds amazing, and that is good enough for me. It also runs on the liquid gold, otherwise known as race fuel. Track-only cars cannot be driven on the road, so you need a trailer. And if you have a trailer, you have to put it somewhere. Now this trailer fits just about in my garage, bit of space on one side, more space on the other. The problem may not be the garage, it's more the width of the garage door. So about an inch of space on this side and less than an inch of space on this side. But I think I'm a really good driver, so I should be able to back this in no problem at all. that? Pure craftsmanship. Next, choosing a track. Avoid tracks with specialist corners such as banked turns or very, very long straights. Or for my first track day, I could pick somewhere like California Speedway. Fast, dangerous, and unforgiving. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's pitch black. Everybody else is in bed. And I'm kind of wondering, why did I think a track day would be such a great idea? It seems dumb. At this stupid hour of the morning. For a novice, arriving at California or Auto Club Speedway is pretty intimidating. It's got the biggest grandstands I've ever seen. It's probably got the biggest track I've ever seen. But you gotta ignore the massiveness of everything, get the car off the trailer, get it into the garage, and get ready for the driver's briefing. The briefing is important because it covers all the safety aspects of the day, but you can also get some really good information.
The line on the oval is to stay down low. Sorry, not on the oval. The front straight and toward.
You'll get called out to the pit lane where they line up all the cars the fastest at the front, but if you're like me and you're at the back, don't show it on your track day video because then people will know you're slow. Finally, it happens. You are called out on the track. This is the moment to shine, to show how amazing you are until you stall it. And then you can't start it. And then you keep trying to start it and it still won't start. Here's my advice. Don't ever show this on your track day video. You're gonna look like a total idiot. At this point, it's important to save face, so as you drive out, if you see somebody, just give a thumbs up or wave, as if you know exactly what you're doing. At long last, the moment you've been waiting for, you're out on the track. Now this is a good segment of footage to show in your video, because the chances are nobody will have overtaken you within the first 3 or 4 seconds of hitting the track. Always show clips where you are overtaking other cars, even if they're breaking down, parked, on fire, it doesn't matter. Everything you can do to make yourself look good is important. If you can show footage of yourself overtaking vintage Mustangs and other cool stuff, that's a bonus. Make sure you get that in there. And wave, relaxed, as if you totally know what you're doing and you do this all the time. Remember, just keep putting in footage of you overtaking other cars and never ever show footage of other cars overtaking you, because that will mean that you're an amateur. Well, you are, but the purpose of this video is to make you look like a total professional. Your video is also an opportunity to show your excellent car control skills, so any footage you have of opposite lock or the car sliding around, make sure to put it in. But only if your advanced car control skills didn't put you into a wall or another car or on your roof. Finally, once your session is over, you will return to the pits, but remember to make your excuses early. A little bit. And I gotta make sure I don't do that. Once you've gotten out of your car, this is the perfect opportunity to add to your track day video with information that absolutely nobody else cares about. But at least it makes you look like you know something. Not much, but something. Do say stuff that hints at danger and bravery. Presses and it gets pretty low, so my car is slowly wearing away. It's time for run 2, and with your newfound confidence and experience, you won't make the same dumb mistakes again. Ah, crap! Don't show yourself stalling your car a second time on your video. Only an idiot would do that. Now, let's be honest, so far your track day video may not be the most interesting thing that's ever been produced. Your friends may not be that excited about it. So, I have, let's not call it a cheat, but an enhancement to help make it better. This is more like it. Now we've got a proper track day video. I'm gonna let this play a bit longer because it just sounds so damn cool. That little vibration that I found, or that little vibration that I heard, it was only minor. Turned out the drive shaft was loose. Minor when you find it, but if that had let go while I was lapping around the bank curve at maybe 120 or 130 miles an hour, it probably wouldn't have been so minor. And I think on the banked turn, I'm being a bit of a chicken. That's when you start making stupid decisions and stupid mistakes and wrecking cars, so I think I might just take it easy. Go crazy the next time in somebody else's car when I've got insurance and I know what I'm doing. Please start, please start, please start. Stupid battery. Anytime you leave a racetrack with your car intact, it's a victory. It's also good timing to get out of Fontana when Walter White and his meth lab are driving in. In the end, I'm hoping this video will help you make your own track day video that nobody will ever watch. If you have somehow accidentally watched this video and you like what you see, please do subscribe. And finally, here's one complete, unedited, unmolested clip of one lap of California Speedway. Now, I'm not saying it's a good lap, it's just a lap. Enjoy.